weeks straight, like right after my surgery.
It was scary. I didn't like that.
There you go.
All the videos of him in the club. They were like scattered all over. My grandmother's feet. I'm not friends with any of Vanessa's. Like, that's a strong boundaries. Yeah. Or
Procedures. Use with caution in dogs with or without history of these disorders. Just protect. Should protect. I think your brother's going to work out that way.
Besides being able to pee outside in Oklahoma, like Taylor just loves so much, I think that I've done an amazing.
Nick Clark, Duran Casa.
I'm Nick Clark. Clark, will you be exclusive with me?
She's a good girl. She listens when she wants. From Charlotte, North Carolina. I don't get dirty for real. That's the part I'm struggling with my nails. I'm still adjusting. You know, when I post on Instagram, it gets very cutesy.
So I usually do it, but I'm just saying.
I haven't rode a horse since my accident.